How to remove screen timer on Android device. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove your screen time app timer on Android device. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Let's get started. So as you guys can see here on my home screen, my Instagram timer has run out, so I no longer can use my Instagram. That means the timer for today has completely ran out, and if you want to use this app again, you will have to reset the timer. Now let's see how you can do that. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your phone settings and head over to your digital well-being and parental controls. And from here you can see the app timers. As you can see, the Instagram's app timer is over. Before, what you used to do is, if you just set the app timer to 00, then it will completely reset the app timer. But now after a recent update, this no longer is working. So I've set the app timer for Instagram for 00, but as you can see, if I go to my home screen, I am still not able to access my Instagram. So for this, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this app timer settings, and from here, as you can see, my Instagram is selected. You just want to unselect this and then tap on OK. Now if you go back, you can just cancel this selection. Once you do that, you can just go back and go ahead and go to your home screen. Now as you can see, I have an easy access to my Instagram. That is all for today's video. I will see you on the next one.